Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account as the family organizer. This is essential because only the organizer can deactivate controls. Once signed in, open the Family Safety app or Visit account. Microsoft. com/family on a browser and locate the child or member you will remove. Make sure you've noted any important activity reports or screen time rules you might reuse later. If you are on a device, confirm it's connected and synced so changes propagate immediately. This avoids orphaned restrictions that once you've opened the member's profile, go through screen time, content filters, and app and game limits and turn off each toggle you want disabled. If your goal is full removal, choose Remove from Family. This both stops limits and monitoring. Make sure to confirm any prompts and enter your organizer credentials or two-factor code when asked. After each change, wait for the confirmation message. This ensures Microsoft has applied updates to the cloud and will push them to linked devices automatically. You finish by verifying that restrictions are gone on every device the member used. Open the app or website and check real-time settings. If a limit still appears, ask the member to sign out and sign back in or restart the device to force a sync. If removal fails, make sure you are still listed as the organizer and that no duplicate accounts exist. Change management issues often block removals. As a last resort, update the Family Safety app or contact Microsoft support to resolve stubborn sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.